Europe, I never go house. Here when on my who no see problem of house. I never go Nigeria. Since 20 years I did Paris. I never go home one day. Now I make my say, they help me the share. But now help me share to 5,000. Make the whole world judge all of us. Make them see what did this man do to me. Because who no here carry me, not they here bring me down. As everybody they hear, they look, they hear. I just got to beg everyone, no not get patience. More not patient with me. Because now me and I put one left for one trouser. That prison, I see the life for a pikin, make the life for your social. That one pikin when I start woman born for her. He said make the life. May they put me for prison. And he can't use the man to tell me. He said if he never bring me down, bring the enemy down for this Paris, he said he not go ever rest. I want to see how he want to bring me down. I want to see whether I got, what the kind of sin when I commit, when he want to put me for that prison. Me, I want to know. All the 7 next month now be the court. Me want to see how he want to put me for that prison. Because I pity for that small boy. I pity for her well. Because his mama never know what did happen. When this matter starts, I humble myself. I was so gentle to call that woman. Say, see what Epa, they use Monday, he gave up. What they use his son, they do for Europe. You know here. You carry the senior one paper, you take bring that small boy. Me not put you for prison. I not tell police say see what you do. Now you want to put me for problem. If you know what's good for you. He don't say when I tell him. I said, my dear, withdraw this case. Withdraw this case because it will not do you any good. Your juju, he said me, I know God. He saying no God. He saying pity for those that call themselves a Christian. Themselves a Christian. He saying pity us. He said we don't know what will they do. He said na juju. If you call juju, he said one time he said juju he go answer you. He said if you call juju, no, he go answer you. Me what me they call that juju. So that's what we take this since. This man go carry my credit card. He go they use how they buy things for women. He go they fuck out the old women they go for Paris. He no be ashawo, na sister Aki be ashawo. He go carry everything after the 2 salary when I they receive. 3,000 euro. Good 3,000 euro. I don't see what he can do. He go now make me as if I lie. Because then my brother and his sister theirs, they don't know what it happen. Now he say one carry he brought a problem put for head. He one carry he brought a problem put for head. He say which kind dirty money me get? Which kind dirty money? Family where they no one near. Who know when the family when they eat all women for Europe money, that they near that kind of people. Now me when it be a shower una not go near. Now my family una not go near. Now so I gotta go carry bishop wife. Now when they play game with all women, now na come better. Ogwoga gbeluwa. Unaro lai ikata nesisi ansi. No we hear your boy on ekure. No ma emu mona esieme. Venu wa yaya ninyeme wa ijo wa keme. E Paris no yekere. Tameta seno. We are tamokma na igbe honesin. Venu wa ya na wo wa no na do adegboto. E wa kan fi mewere. God has given me the name that you people cannot cancel. He has given me the name. Ese ni uno bia uno kwa Paris. Ose vime vedene na. Ese ni uno bia uno kwa Paris. Elma gu mewu. Ekene mo dete mudiaji. Amu dia gban. Ni yemye kena mu insurance me. Ime insurance no bege. Ega lele ki avec bebe. Ah mi e bia insurance. Evo ya no ebe ni me be ya hen. Ah okay ke vous me do ya o e. Ah te wa kwe survive. Wa kwe survive. I say no go ya gu me share message na. Because e mi na ru ba ho. No ma ho va vana oga ho water. Mega ike church re water. I were gbe so le kenina stop. Oyi re mana je church Marie Claire. E church e Clement ona kadovane. Ona va be church Clement. Ni ya revo na viera me bi jeme. Since I have been in this Paris, I have never friend any Nigerian man in this Paris. Let everybody raise up your hand and say I have dated Sister Ike before. Never. It have never happened. I always follow all this, the people that is not our language people. I go with them. Oyibo people is there that help me. Is there that pay my house rent. I have never been with any Nigerian man except my fathers, my children's fathers. I have been with my children's fathers. I have never been a prostitution woman. I know they flirt around them. And I have been in a marriage. I never flirt one day. This man, he say he can't use me for Paris. He use me finish, he dump me, not pay me. He say he go make sure, say he bring himself down, not be me. He go make sure, say he bring his wife down, not be me. He go make sure, say he bring his people down, not be me. Everybody is clapping for you. They are clapping for you right on. In your back, they are destroying you. In your back, people, when you know me as you not figure me, they tell our story. You cannot meet our people, those that know me well. You not go fit tell them, those that know me as you. You not figure me, they tell our story. Now then they tell people our story. Then they tell everybody our story today. Say, see waiting this man do this woman. Me not even the judge to anybody. Now then they help me the judge. I go they work, my brothers and my sister, I know they eat. At the end of the month, after all this money, he go come use barrel and paper. They tell me how where money pass. He go they use barrel and paper. They tell me, say, now so he do this. Now so he send this one for that project. Now so he send the other one for that project. He don't use juju to blind my eye. I don't know what thing I they do again. Now make me say more than just the share. Because he a team everything. A modify your me geba. Uti everything. Oh, never not more here. Where we were here beg we bring him down. Oh, there I send me my vision. Oh, there na my vision no more babo. Even I me family me ma roba dog me na me. We give beg on na neberio. E una ladia. Mi aka mu gwege na ni me ya se ye kenya so we. Ya sabo mo kawani no be nu ebuwa. They are bigger than that your wife that is washing for you. I have father, have mother, spiritual father, spiritual mother. Here why is that? Bovoka. Who you born your ibere? I get your wife. If you not a married woman, you go remove eye come off your body. If you not a married woman, don't let anything when you concern that woman concern you again. You say my matter, not go let you rest. And people go tell me, naked, go for Joshua, go swear for her. I'll say no. I put everything in the hands of God because I cannot fight for myself. That one is not enough for you. It's not still enough for you. You say, Oti, you bring me down. How you want to bring me down for that court that day? I dey wait you. Now for me at this man come there. I can't go borrow money from my bank, 6,000. If they push me, say me we take 15,000 euro. Now I say no. That 15,000 euro too much. I know they borrow 15,000 euro because I don't see the moon when he dey. God just give me that wisdom. Because when you marry for this country, who even not get joint account, the thing not they move. Now we take the joint account since me and Ade there. So that joint account, the card is with him. Now I make me say I no go lie. If na me do I will say na me do am. More na judge me according to my stupidity. Now so we just put that joint account together. We did there. If I tell this man I want buy pints, I want buy conscience, you know they give me the card. Uro figo gbe, mo wadele. Oh no number. Monday. Ikeba. Now so clothes in the buy. I say, eh? So I go back. I say, am I stupid? What do me they do so? I begin to console myself. Who's can yeye marriage I dey so? Who's yeye marriage? Me, I say me day. Now I say, okay, I know what to do. Now I just walk to that straight to my bank. Now I meet the conseiller. Now I tell am say, I beg. I want remove my account. Come up for your account. So may he did that joint account. After that, we don't borrow that 6,000. We don't pay only 1,000 euro. It can't remain 5,000. First of all, when he come from Spain, he can't say he get land. I can't say me build. But I not build and finish. Problem can't enter the place. So now I can't say me the one when my mama senior. Now I say me sell am. May share all the whole money to my family. I don't need them. Man say don't touch am. Woman say not touch am. Now I can't say he can't they cry. He say me I just sell everything. Just use the money like that. I can't dey fold my hand. They look this man. I say what be this man problem? What be problem with between me and the talker? So my father send, he share all that money, he share and give everybody. I say me share I no need them. Even the Africa said me I know they go again. I no get wetin I they do for them. So now so he take share the money. He can't say he get land though. Say now say okay. He said you know say if him don't marry me now, he house now me they go. Me not go my house. He not fit go my house when I build. You go here. And I say okay. That one a good idea. May we still join together. May we take feast that one. Now so we take build that house reach where it dey before we go house. When we there here, as I still say the way he can't they do, now I pause. I can't go change the account. That month, he can't say my money go enter because na 2 jobs I they do. One na 1,004. The other one na 1,003. I beg people of the world no na help me calculate the salary. How much be that one in a month when I dey work? Una when you go school, I not be read, I not be write. Because na computer, if they take they use computer, they take they do everything for inside the room. I don't know how they take they do it. If they use computer, they take they draw the money. I don't know, I not still care. I was just working happy, say I did one place. I never flirt around them before. I never carry any man come house one day. Make one man come find me for here. Not be even when he never even come from Spain. I know they do and talk less for say my body. Now I start to the do. So my money no enter the joint account that day. Now this man starts. He say, you go change your account. Now I say, Mother, look me. You just look me like say I be fool. You take me as a fool. Abemona, sorry, this one just dey disturb. You look me like say I be fool. I be fooling somebody. Abi you look me like say I no get brain. Say my money no enter account. Now I say I'm sorry. I no dey pay that money again. Where they don't build that house reach. Because my name no dey that house. I just dey try to help. I no fit pay pass where I pay reach. You dey receive 800 euro. You dey receive 900 euro. Me dey receive 2,000 and something. I bet your word. Who build house? Who do everything? What? Sit down, I'm coming. Don't disturb me. Who do everything like that? Because me be quiet. If me just say me they leave everything. But as they say they won't start to narrate me for Paris. As if people say they don't want to leave me Gebo family. Now say me I can't tell all the whole world. Who know them? Me not they help me, they beg them. Who not know wetin happen? Me not know they carry wetin una no know. Now we take build a house. He meet me for Pastor Clement church as I was saying. He can't see the way when I tell they pay money for them. Now he remove me. He say, now so money. Now you they pay for the church. Pastor they build as they go. Pastor they do this one they go. If they do the other one they go. Now I say, no problem. I obey him. I enter house. I not call they go church again. We can't go Marie Claire. Oh, Pastor Marie Claire. We reach there, the same thing. Say na mom no so money. Now that they mention this or that, now enter house. I don't know say they take me to destruction. Now where my brothers and my sister, be careful. Don't allow the demon to deal with us. Man, I not give chance to the devil. Make the rule person. Because when they rule you, they will like to finish you for everything. They will finish all your things, everything about you, your career, your wisdom, your everything. Your head go come day back. He all don't still teach me sense till today. He all don't give me more wisdom. Now so we take day. Now inside there, we don't divide our accounts. So everybody there, you all learn now. He said, okay, when we go to Marie Claire church, he said he want to do marriage. Now Pastor Marie Claire say, never you do marriage now. Just wait and look the man first. When you look the man first, before you will announce for the marriage. As he don't press. Me no know say he come with operation. He don't press. Say no be me give her paper today. My brothers and my sister, if they not do marriage for Paris, una don't ever see where prophet who call you say me you can't take paper. For this Europe when we did. The your right letter can't give you say can't carry paper. Because now you be Sarkozy pikin. Now you be Emmanuel Macron son. The your carry you. Say, come take paper. Now he call the press. Now he can't go ask Pastor Marie Claire. Now Pastor Marie Claire tell her, say, never. He never see where they use ordinary passport to do marriage. You wait. After everything, God go bring the idea. How you go to do the marriage. He called the verse for the poor woman. He said, the woman tell me, the pastor tell me, say, may he not marry me. You just carry remote for her, just they take the remote me 24 hours. Before I come from work one day, because that time, you know, they go work, he dey house. Now he can't go La Mairie. He can't go to La Mairie. He say he want to do marriage. Now l'American give an appointment. Because he say as space be, na so Paris be. Come and sit down. Come and sit down here. He say as space be, na so Paris be. He say he know. He will not seek anybody advice again. He want to do it alone by himself. Now he come, they do it by himself. When me come from work, now he come ask me, say, he don't go take appointment. Oh. Now I said, they give you. He said, they give. Paper is nothing. It be like sand. Naked you come, naked you will go. But me, I'm using this media to advise every one of us today. Give people that not the value. Not people when you go pursue you enter debt. Not be people that you will give. They will be using it against you. If you want to give somebody paper, look at that person very well before you will give. Many come with wayo. Many come with their wisdom. After they collect it from you, they will use it against you. Now that one me can know today. Because of paper. Now me up carry the children come from Nigeria. Now me help this Igebo Monday. He come from Spain. I do they forget something. He come from Spain. And they process my children paper. He said na he stand. Job when he stand for me, when me and they follow everywhere. That one they vest it today. That Togoma when I they follow. If they vest today, say me not use the paper take time. Me go they use on the tank another man. He said na he stand give me paper. Una when he know me for Paris. When I they do my paper, Modegebo, he dey Spain. He don't know how I take do my paper. He don't know the process when we reach. Now only address when I don't see for Paris. Now only address he help me find. Now make me say I not go tell the world wetin he not do. Now only address now that man help me find. I look everywhere because he go school me not go. He come tell me say if war come to worst, he go where they see the color for Spain, where they give people address, public address. Now say I don't know her. So now only address before God will bless that man today. David, he can't use her and say bless me. He can't give me address. So as me go prophet you with my associate, they can't give me my paper. He said na instant give me paper. That will not be problem now. If to say na you stand give me problem, na you stand give me paper. Now that one you dey talk. I for not come to social media. I for not say anything stupid. But you say you want to kill my enemy. You must make sure say you bring me down for Paris before you go stay clear away from me. Avant boyen, avant boyen. Where afternoon go the judge, night go the judge, evening go the judge. If God say na your hand me want follow go ask. Therefore don't bury me long time ago. No any mark dey my belly when you know me. I don't get any single mark. You say you come meet me say I dey sick. He get where they not dey sick, my brothers and my sister. He get who not dey sick. Sickness go come, he go. I go feel headache. I go feel sore throat. I go feel stomach pain. Nobody when he know dey feel stomach pain, he go still finish. He say he come meet me say I dey sick before. Now he come dey make me dey well. Now fool you dey tell. You come meet people for Paris since I did. Good 20 years I'm in Paris. Good 20 years. I never stepped another place before since I came to Paris. Mona, sorry. I never step another place since when I come. Now here I dey. So now so we take days since. This man come still trick me. Whether na juju they use for me or na juju, not be say whether na juju. He can't trick me. Because that work when me they work for airport, na me carry and go there. Na me carry and go there. My chef still they talk until tomorrow. He said if this man can maltreat you like this, he said na so na Nigeria people wicked. Una don't see where woman the shayo where we dey take the walk. Na so he heavy like ground. Only me one in the midnight, I go dey push that shayo dey go. Oga go dey follow me for back. He no go even say, this woman don't tire me. I take this shayo from Ian. I go dey push the shayo because I want marry. Because I see husband when I never see before. Everybody go dey laugh me for my working place. To a marry. Our chef go dey look us for there. You love this your husband though. You love this your husband though. Man, not be woman supposed go dey eat for canteen. He go dey eat, me I dey do he work, they do my own joiner. He go go down. He go say no, if he can't die yo, because like he want die. Wish I will never die. No one can take my life except God has appointed it. Say this is my day. This is my day. This is my day. No one can kill me because my good will not bury me. People they hear they don't know how matter they happen. People carry what not be their problem for her today. They don't know what happen. People they say, na so that wicked woman, Ashawo, that one when he the friend boy for inside room. They don't know, even though I friend boy for inside grants, I friend that for my room, it not concern anybody. They say now where should I know where they pay now. Now what he do me? Now me I want to tell people so. Now what he do me? Now he make me carry boy for inside my room. I wish I will still do it again and again and again. If he say me I do one, wish I will still do it again and again. Now when we dey work, they go one day. This man call me. I don't know say he put juju for mouth. He say, my wife. I don't know say they talking for my back saying you guys deal with her. He said, my wife, he said, this business went there for the share paper, so may we come enter the business, so because very soon we go tire. If we don't tire for this work, we not go fit they do this work again. We will put people for that one, may then they do one, may it they bring money for us. Now say na true. Now say I can't think fast. I can't say since now my brother Agada he want open the business for. I not still believe say why you go there. Why you go there inside? I not believe. So now can say no problem. He say he don't see one car. How much for the car? He said 2,800. Okay, how much me want to bring like that? He say he don't know how much they with me because our account not they read the same again. Everybody there is only now. Now that one he can't track me down, collect the money from my hand. He said okay. Now I say okay. Since his salary now my mind I think I'm for his salary no day up. Me I go bring 1,500. My brother just there with us. It's time. So because me and they use Credit Agricole, now there our bank day. So now we can't go inside that bank. We can't go collect the 1,500. You can't take 800 euro. Me can't take 1,500. Now I give him. Now we can't go outside Paris. Me, he, and my brother. We can't go collect the car. So he can't give the man. The man, when he want follow by the car, he can't give her whether 2,000. I don't know whether na 214. I don't know. You know what? Make my eye reach everything. Because they do woo 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 for there and they look am. So now so they bring that car come. That one too far. So now they can't start to they use the car, they work money. They can't work 12,000 euro. 12 good thousand euro. Now they work for the car. When they take work the money. I see those spoil my bank, spoil everything. Now he spoil my bank till today. As he go, they take money for there every day. Now my bank takes spoil. I still tell them face to face. Now it takes spoil my bank when I not fit they do anything till today for Paris. I see that they work or do my do body. They don't come see where put the check. We call they gather the check. Now even my hand, now the check, they my brothers and my sister. Now my hand, they gather the check put. Then my brother don't know what it happen. Then when he said they want put the matter for head. Because no one is obvious. Everybody more. No, who say no, if he kill me, one kill my pikin. Now he all go fair go grave before my own. Now he all daughter or he all son go fair go grave before my own. Me, nobody. Except na bad I do to Mother Igebo. Except na bad na I do to her. If not be bad, na good thing. Since he know me, how I suffered. If you see me, body not there for me. I can't still tell this man for hospital bed. My brothers and my sister. I say if I die, I say take good care of my children. Never you trust in man. Never you put your hope in man. Now my children can't tell me. Now this one, mommy. Now you say me take good care of your children. This one when you be not know whether we go eat. This one when you for collect everything when you get in the middle of the night. Now you say take care of my children. Until today they are still laughing at me. Now I say take good care of my children. Who see me that I go call me? Eki, wait till you want that put so. Eki, wait till you they do so. Eki, what is your problem? Everybody they watch me night na lie. Everybody they call me, they ask me. Which can walk on you so? Now let you don't see husband. As my mind be. When quarrel starts, I see Oga call me one day, Monday. He say he want go Nigeria. Before then, when I don't change my everything, he call they use pillow, they divide the bed. I go there inside. I still tell the brother Udu. I tell your brother. He go they use pillow, they divide the bed. I go there inside, he go remain small, may he tumble for front. I look, I laugh. That one not reach me to leave, man. If not be Juju, my brothers and my sister. Oh, waiting me see for his hand. He reached me for me to leave him overnight. But because he closed my eye, I don't know what thing I dey do. Now make me, I dey mumu. He be like goats. Man, when they carry rope, take tie neck, they draw. Now so my enemy be. Now I follow and buy motor. Say one go house. Now so which house? You they go house, me don't go. If you not say you go house, now bring money. I say which money? Which money are they bring? Already don't start problem since when you see that money. Problem come immediately. He say, nah, he go they work for me. make me dey go my work, go dey work. Now I say, na that one you tell me. Na that one you tell me before me bring money to buy car. Na that one you tell me before me go my bank go take money. Na that one you judge for me. Say which money? Now I say, if you want buy ticket, we get money for there. He can't go use his own name when he want go open the account. Selfish man must be a selfish man. He can't go use his own name to register. He say he no want me anything when he consign my name. We dey inside one room. We dey eat for one plate.